Welcome. If you're tired of being randomly added to Telegram groups or channels by certain people, there's a simple way to take control, especially with the latest Telegram web update on PC. First, open Telegram web in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and click on the three horizontal lines. This will open the main menu where all your settings are located. From here, click on Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. This section gives you full control over who can interact with you and how your account is used. Now, find and click on the option labeled Who Can Add Me. This is where you decide who is allowed to add you to groups and channels. By default, it may be set to everybody, and you can keep it that way if you still want most people to have access. But here's the important part. Right below that, click on Never Allow. This lets you block specific users from ever adding you again. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to select the exact people you want to restrict. Go ahead and choose the users you no longer want to be added by. Take your time and double-check the list to make sure you're selecting the right contacts. After selecting them, confirm the step.